Ever felt like you're leaving money on the table? Like your loyal clients would happily buy packages, but you're just not sure how to set them up? You're not alone. We've all been there. You're running a business, you're a master of your craft, but sometimes the tech side of things can feel like trying to solve a Rubik's Cube blindfolded, right? Think about it. You've got clients who come back week after week, month after month. They love your services. They trust you. Wouldn't it be amazing to offer them a way to save money, streamline their bookings, and show them how much you value their loyalty? That's where packages come in. And today we're diving deep into how to add packages to Square appointments. Now, before we jump into the how-to, let's talk about the why. Why are packages so powerful? It's not just about offering a discount. It's about building relationships, increasing client retention, and boosting your bottom line. Imagine a client who buys a package of 5 massages. They've already paid up front, which means they're more likely to book those appointments. You've secured their commitment, and they get to enjoy the benefits of regular self-care at a discounted rate. It's a win-win. Or think about a hair salon offering a package of 3 color treatments. The client knows they're getting a great deal, and they're more inclined to stick to their maintenance schedule. This ensures consistent revenue for your business and happy, satisfied clients. Packages also simplify the booking process. Clients can easily redeem their package credits when booking online, reducing the need for manual adjustments and streamlining your workflow. Plus, it's a great way to promote new services or introduce clients to different aspects of your business. So you're convinced. Packages are a game changer. But how do you actually add them to Square appointments? Don't worry, we're about to break it down step by step. First, you'll need to log in to your Square dashboard. This is your central hub for managing your business, including appointments, payments, and, of course, packages. Once you're in, navigate to the Items and Orders section. You'll see a list of your services and products. This is where we'll create our packages. Click on Create Item. Now, here's where the magic happens. Instead of creating a regular service, we're going to create a package. Give it a clear and descriptive name, like 5 massage package or 3 color treatment bundle. Next, you'll need to set the price. This is where you'll determine the discount you want to offer. Remember, the goal is to provide value to your clients while still ensuring profitability for your business. Calculate the total value of the services included in the package and then decide on the discounted price. Now, let's add the services to the package. In the Variations section, you'll be able to select the specific services that are included. For example, if you're creating a massage package, you'll select the massage service and specify the number of sessions included. You can also add a description to your package. This is your opportunity to highlight the benefits and entice clients to purchase. Explain how the package works, what services are included, and any terms and conditions. One crucial step is to set the inventory for your package. This tells Square how many packages are available for purchase. You can choose to set a specific number or leave it unlimited. Now, let's talk about redemption. How will clients redeem their package credits? Square Appointments offers a seamless redemption process. When a client books an appointment online, they'll have the option to use their package credit. You can also redeem credits manually when booking appointments for clients in person. You can also set expiration dates for your packages. This ensures that clients use their credits within a reasonable time frame and helps you manage your bookings effectively. Another important feature is the ability to customize your package settings. You can choose to allow clients to share their packages with others, or restrict them to individual use. And speaking of online booking, make sure your packages are visible on your online booking site. This allows clients to easily browse and purchase packages when scheduling their appointments. Now, let's address some common questions and scenarios. What if you want to offer different package tiers? For example, a basic package, a premium package, and a VIP package? No problem. Simply create separate packages with different services and pricing. What if you want to offer a package that includes both services and products? You can absolutely do that. Just add the relevant products to your package variations. What if you want to offer a limited time package or a seasonal promotion? You can easily set a start and end date for your package, ensuring that it's only available for a specific period. And what about reporting? Square Appointments provides detailed reports on your package sales and redemptions, allowing you to track your performance and make informed decisions. Now, let's talk about some best practices for creating successful packages. First, know your audience. What services do your clients love the most? What are their pain points? Tailor your packages to meet their specific needs and preferences. Second, offer a compelling discount. The discount should be significant enough to incentivize clients to purchase a package, but not so steep that it cuts into your profits. Third, promote your packages effectively. Use your website, social media, and email marketing to spread the word. Highlight the benefits of purchasing a package and make it easy for clients to buy. Fourth, provide excellent customer service. Be responsive to client inquiries and ensure a smooth redemption process. Fifth, track your results. Monitor your package sales and redemptions to identify what's working and what's not. Use this data to refine your package offerings and improve your marketing efforts. And remember, packages aren't just about making more money. They're about building stronger relationships with your clients. By offering them value and convenience, you're creating a loyal customer base that will support your business for years to come. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.